Once a girl likes you, but you don't know. You don't know. Once a girl likes you, but you don't know. You don't know. Maybe you before.
Got done with my workout, and yes, you can see my clothes hanging because it was raining, so I had to dry my clothes in my room. And like, I didn't feel like going to the gym today, but I wanted to do yoga like empty stomach, so that's why I laid out the mat in the room. I really don't care how small the room is, how big the room is. I do what I want. That should be your attitude if you want to achieve something in life. Circumstances will never be in favor of you. You have to create them in favor of you by just being unbothered. Yes, so I'm just going to now make breakfast for me. I think I said the last day that I will make it more challenging. So yes, I have created a diet plan that I have to follow, which is very difficult for me, but I'm gonna make it happen because I hate losing control over anything. I want to control what I eat. So, but not in a way that seems very controlling to my mind. I want to keep it subtle, so I've given just like options, and options like just I thought I will do scrambled eggs with some feta and avocado for breakfast, and for lunch I think I will do again one egg avocado in a sandwich, and the rest I think for dinner I will do something of a salad or paneer with veggies. So that's pretty much it. And I am trying to follow it because I'm a snacker. I'm a huge snacker. If I if I think, because this is additional, if I think this was pushing too much in my 21 days, I'm gonna um, keep it back. Also, yoga has helped me earlier, like lose weight, get back in shape faster because I was less stressed. I did not feel like eating a lot, and yoga used to really relax me. Meditation also helped me. So early, I think my routine was crazy that I'm trying to get back to. And I used to do yoga so much, and I didn't know that I was doing it and it is helping me in this way. But now I'm realizing it, reflecting back on it. That's why I want to film everything so that even if I get into something again, I can get back to me. So this is sort of a personal diary that I'm sharing, the observation. So yes, as soon as I wake up, I look at my vision board, and today I woke up at 5:30. And like, when you put yourself through circumstances that are stressful, like out of your comfort zone, like living in a room alone. So I am having my breakfast, and I prepared some protein smoothie and some eggs with avocado. As always, the same breakfast we're gonna try to have and keep it satiating. Let's eat it, and then I'm still left with reading my book. I will read. Mm. Never never misses the point, never stops satisfying me.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name.
So I'm all ready and going to the studio. for my classes, and then I will record my back exercises. I got so late because I was cleaning the house, and I keep choosing to clean the house twice a week. Sorry, like after 2 days, I clean every 2 days. That is so much better. It takes so much time and energy. I honestly want to hire someone to do the cleaning once I have like a good place to live. Once I have a good place to live, and once I can afford to hire someone. Class, and I'm going to head for lunch and then edit my video that I have to post every day. And in case you guys want to see if I'm actually posting or not, you should follow me on my Instagram, and this video is also going up every day. And yes, I thought I will not shoot today because there are so many videos pending out there. Let me just figure them out and create a content planner, because we are going with systems. I don't want to burn myself out, so if I keep creating content and don't know how to regulate it, it eventually will turn out in burnout. So let me just focus on how and I can create systems. Like, I am a person of habits and systems. I've realized just right now that how important they are. So I'm gonna work on systems around how can I create content without thinking. The more you give your brain to think, the less it will work. It will be so occupied. Sorry, the class is going on, but I'm just gonna focus on keeping my mind empty and using my phone to structure it using my structured app. I will tell you the whole system that I'll be following after I clean the whole thing up. I have to just roll up the mats and then I will head home. So I was just working and editing my video. It's almost done, and I was sitting with a friend. We are now going for dinner and then we'll come back and work again. It is the end of the day and I was editing my video, almost done with it, but there are alerts going on every day regarding the war and everything. You know what? I'm very strong, and I know everything's going to be all right, but there's a part of me that wants to go home and just be with my mother and cry a lot. Just cry a lot that I'm not able to sleep at night. That the suffering is crazy, but I'm putting on a happy face, and someday it's going to be all right and we're going to live just fine. I know it's safe. It's just my heart's desire to do this. I have normalized crying for me as much as I can. So, crying in your mother's arms is different, and all I want to do is that, and